Are those the kids in there?
These are. This is the group that's coming to play soccer with the boys at the village.
Oh, okay.
But that's one of them, the kid standing there.
So this is a soccer team. Where are they coming from?
Riverside, just around Riverside. Riverside, Faith Baptist Church, Riverside.
Oh, okay. Are you playing with the kids?
No.
You're the ref?
Neither of those. I was hoping to watch. But the thing is, I forgot Marcus's diapers. Just I have to find a way to get those diapers. It's a weekend.
Oh, okay. I don't think we're gonna spend the night because we gotta. We want to go to Gunnarton in the morning.
Oh, okay.
Because I haven't been there.
All right, then that's fine.
So you can run us over there and you can grab diapers or something.
All right. So you're looking at leaving around what time?
Huh?
Around what time?
I don't know what time you think is good. 4:34? As long as you don't have to come back in the dark. 3?
I think around 3:30 somewhere.
You guys are a football team? Yeah? You're here to play football? Good.
Weba shanje bere. Guys, tamanje no kunjira ati muleisi. Bara shabwere kai bari abukapa pen. Mara umfana na nini? Kapuzo. Aba chawata baishire mbo. Kuna la umma numba. Nishire kitika nje.